And welcome back to Poppy's Workshop. We're actually a 180 degrees from the scroll saw. This is my carving and sanding station, and you probably can't see it, but right over here, I'll go like that, is my monster drill press with laser sighting, and I've got a couple photographs of that. Today what I wanted to do is just take a couple minutes, show you some of the things that I'm currently working on right now. This here is one of the projects that is on the scroll saw, and I'm alternating back and forth between a couple. This is the Lady Liberty, and I've got her on a backer board. So let's see, yeah, you should be able to see her there. Lady Liberty that is going to be mixed with an eagle and the flag. And if you take a look, you'll see that I'm penciling in some changes to the design that I want. Right now it's penciled in. I'm Xing areas that I'm actually going to cut out, and once I get it where I want, I'll redline it in a little bit so that I don't screw up. So I'll just put that back like that. So that's one of the projects that I'm working on. And then just a couple fun ones. The wheels haven't been done yet. This is one of the toys for my grandson. He's only 8 months old right now, so he won't be able to enjoy these just this yet. But this is made out of cast off or quote-unquote scrap wood. So I've taken a couple different pieces of wood, different colors, and when it finishes, it'll pop in the colors. So this is just a little car with the wheels. And then another one, let's get all the parts to it. Here's a little helicopter that I made, and the tail will go there, and of course the main rotor will go here. And if you hear some noise, I have the big garage door open because it's absolutely a beautiful fall day here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And I'm just enjoying the breeze coming through. Anyway, what I'm debating about right now is how am I going to put that to that. I do want to spin. I was originally thinking of a brad nail, but I'm concerned that if it gets torqued or whatever, I've got to consider that this is going to be a little person who's going to have this. So I want to think about yeah, that's working real well, about safety. Okay, so there's a couple projects, and I have one more. Let me spin around and grab it. And here we go. This is a Christmas design here that I am working on. Get that into the camera. And this is actually a design from 1937 Germany. So you can see that it has the cultural symbolism from Germany at that time, and I find this to be really, really attractive. And this is going to hold, what are they called? Tea candles. I think it's tea candles. Yeah, I'll show you an example of one of those in a moment. Let me put that down. This also will have legs to it. I'll be cutting into those, and they'll fit right into that. So if you hold on for a moment, I'm going to spin around, grab one of these tea candles. Well, that's the blue one, and I don't know where my white ones are. Here we go. Let me grab one and go from there. You'll actually see some of the photographs that I've taken of some of the nativities that I recently completed. So each of them has one of these flickering LED candles. And what will happen is I'm going to put a small round disc up there, and there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these tea candles that will be right like that. So it'll be quite pretty when it's all done. And there you go. A quick video just to show you what I have on the workbench, what I have working on the scroll saw, and you can see this on my blog site. I do have a separate page as to what's on the workbench today, and that will change frequently, probably will change once a week. So we'll leave it at that. You have a great day. May the Lord richly bless you and make it a great day.